Rehau lift and slide system. That's one of the fanciest, nicest systems. This system usually people use at lake view properties, mountain view properties, where they are replacing whole wall with this system. This system designed to be up to 9 feet tall and 2.7 meters and up to 21 foot wide, 7 meters. So you can have two pieces of glass 21 foot wide. It's a lift and slide system. This system made with Rehau Geneo profile. Glazing unit up to 52 millimeters thick glazing unit, and it can use even quadruple glass here.
Quadruple glass is available.
Yes. So when you...
Thickness? Again?
Thickness of what?
The maximum
Glazing
thickness
unit?
of glass.
52 millimeters.
52, is that
Maximum 52 millimeters thickness of the glazing unit.
52 mils.
So it has special mechanism when you lift door first by moving the handle down. If you can see this gap, you lift the door first, and then it's nicely, smoothly glides in the opening. So like on this small unit here, a sample, it's only 2.8 meters wide, like 9 foot something wide. This sash weighs almost 400 pounds. It's a 6 millimeter plus 4 millimeter glass here. So we have like 5/8 of solid glass here. So it's pretty heavy. But I would suggest when you're selling units like this, customers have to be in a showroom, try, see, and see what they buy. You cannot, I wouldn't recommend you to sell this unit without customers seeing this unit.
Screen?
With such a big openings, for the screens, it's up to customer what he wants to put there. We do not supply screens for these units. There is many different options. In the new showroom, we will have some of those options. It's basically like a curtain screen. And it's coming in our next shipment. So in the new showroom we'll put some of those screens, but until we have them, until you can touch, feel and show to the customers, for now we're saying we don't have the screens, but you can go with any local screen provider and do that. There is a companies who specialize just on that, and it's pretty easy to mount on our system. What else with this system? It's designed for bigger units. If your door is less than 12 foot, it's not viable to sell this system. Customer might say, yes, I want this, but you have to put in front of customers all the pros and cons. Because on the smaller unit, it's just gonna look bulkier, and it will be overpriced. Because you can use the hammer to hammer nail, and you can buy expensive microscope and hammer the nail with a microscope. What's the point? If hammer will do same work, and hammer costs $50 and microscope costs $500.
So what would you recommend instead of that?
Senago slide.
Yeah, but that's even thicker.
Tilt and slide. It's not thicker, because if you look here, look at the thickness here. You have here a 6-inch thickness. Look at the thickness there. You have 2-inch thickness. So it's more plastic, more bulkier. It will do that work. You can do even 6-footer door with this system. But that door cost $1,800. This one gonna cost $4,000. Is it worth to spend those money? It's just not to try to sell customer more expensive because it's going to be more commission. Try to sell customer what customers need. Not to oversell the customers, Because if later on customers come to the showroom like, wow, this costs twice less and I paid this much, which that do exactly same work. It has the compression seal, it has, thick insulated glazing units and doing same job. So
And can we have like fixed operating fixed?
Yes.
Here, right?
With this system, same idea. You can fix, operating, fix. So pretty much all our sliding systems have these options. And that's it for the sliding doors.